How's it going, guys? A little different video for the channel today. Heading out here for a nice little brook trout fish, hopefully anyway. I got turned on to this spot from my buddy Andre, so thanks again, Andre. He told me about this spot and another camping spot further down the river. I might go check that out too. Got Wendell here with me, and I just seen, pretty sure it was a mink or some sort of rodent thing swimming up the river there, so hopefully Wendell doesn't go in after him. But yeah, so here we're gonna hopefully catch a few brook trout and have a good day. I haven't been fishing too much since I moved to New Brunswick. I used to fish a lot in Nova Scotia, but here I just didn't really know where to go. But hopefully we'll get back into it. Here's a look at the river I'm on. Nice, real slow. It is moving. The water's moving. Really twisty, windy river. But found this here. I'm guessing this would probably be something for the beavers. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I didn't have it in frame there. It's a hole that just goes right under and then out into the water. I guess it'd probably be for the beavers coming up to get some branches and sticks, but no fish yet. Just in case you guys are wondering, it's a number 4 Panther Martin spinner. Treble hook. I usually don't like the treble hook, but that's what's on it, and I don't feel like changing. I'm just gonna change spots again. I just kind of work my way down the river using one type of lure. Work my way back. Maybe try a different one. Gotta figure out what they want this time of year. Dude, hey, Wendell, what are you doing rolling around in the grass? You're all dirty now. You're all dirty. Oh yeah. Yeah. What are you doing, crazy? Oh my God, he's filthy, guys. Just filthy. Well, guys, still no luck here. But it's about 12:30ish, so I think we're gonna go grab a bite to eat there for lunch. Starving. Well, we're back at the ATV. I think it's a little bit too windy right here to have a small fire, so I'm gonna head back into the bush a bit and hopefully get out of the wind. All right, we have a spot. Beauty spot right here on the river. I had a little fire up right there. In the winter I cooked a giant burger, so I'm gonna have one closer down here because there's nice sand right here, so I don't have to worry about it spreading anywhere. It's nice and close to the water, so I can get water easily. He's all filthy, so it's probably Alright guys, got a new piece of gear sent to me by Biddy Big Q. See, you guys seen a lot of YouTubers all show these things off. It's a really nice folding grill. You guys that I talked to the guy who came up with it, and I'm not going to say names or nothing, but he came up with it because he wanted a good quality piece of kit that didn't cost an arm and a leg. So it's pretty cool. It folds up really nice. Oh. And that goes like that. So it folds up into like a square block, and you just unscrew it, or unroll it I should say. Just like that. The legs all fold down. And I'm going to use it today and warm up my lunch on it. Wendell's too, he's up there laying in the sun. So yeah, that's the grill. Kind of folds in on itself. Pretty nice. It says it'll support up to around 10 pounds. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I'll ever have something that's more than 10 pounds. But anyways, we're gonna get this on the grill for its first time use, and get a coffee going, and yeah, enjoy it. Well guys, coffee's done. Burgers, I'd say, are probably warm enough. I'm just going to enjoy my coffee here and give Wendell some attention. The baby being around, he doesn't get as much. So he likes getting out here for these types of adventures, even if we don't catch fish, right buddy? Right buddy? Well, here's my mom and dad's favorite part of the video. Seeing if I'm going to scald my face with my coffee. Not bad. Not that bad. I added a little extra milk. Sorry mom, sorry dad. So we have our brioche bun, as always. And there's really only need for one condiment ever. That's mustard. I like Frenchie's mustard because it's Canadian. And I think you should always support where you're from. Good dose of mustard. Nice red onion. I don't know what, I get a lot of hate every time I put vegetables in my video. I don't know what's going on with guys and vegetables. You guys don't eat veggies? Some nice sliced dill pickles. Throw on a couple tomatoes. And I didn't have any real lettuce, so I just took baby spinach. That's the burger. Alright guys, let's try this burger. Man. Right here, Wendell shaking off. He went after a duck over there. He's all covered in mud. What are you doing? This burger's delicious. Cooked at home on my Traeger. I warmed it up here over coal fire or wood fire too. So, it's really good. So I brought two, so you can have some. What do you think? That's the burger. I'm going to enjoy this with Monteley bubbly water, lime flavored. Wendell, come on, get out of there. Always interrupting. Yes, yes, I know, you're going to get some. But yeah, I'm going to enjoy it with that Monteley, and yeah, get back with you guys in a bit. Good boy. Big thank you to Bitty Big Q. You guys seen a lot of other good YouTubers. Josh Gammon, my buddy there in up in Fredericton, he has it. He's he's always out in the woods. He likes it, so alright. And it all goes back into the little kind of like a, I guess it's kind of like a canvas. I'm not sure exactly what material it is. Seems like a water, maybe like a water resistant canvas. And then the little fork, or scraper I should say, not a fork, goes back in. So big thank you to Bitty Big Q who gave me this. They have a lot of good products, so I'm gonna put a link to his Instagram, which is a good follow, and his website. So if you guys were thinking about getting a nice grill, I get a lot of questions on grills because everyone sees the one my dad made, and unfortunately he doesn't want to make them to sell them. I asked him, but yeah, you guys can go check out Bitty Big Q. Thank you. Got the fire out, dumped a bunch of water there, got rid of any of the ashes. Took a few casts there too, didn't get anything. Oh well, that's why I brought a burger. We'll go keep exploring. He told me about another nice camping spot up just past the Yahoo. If you guys don't know, the Yahoo is in my last winter camping video. I'll post it in the description. Definitely check that one out. So just past Yahoo, there's supposed to be another cool camping spot right on the river. So I'm gonna go maybe head down there and try and find that. Alright guys, made her down. A little bit steep. It's going to be a little sketchy going back up over that, but I'll put in forward drive low and just creep up. Man, what a beauty spot. Definitely going to drop a pin here on Google and on the Polaris Ride Command. I just come down there, through over here, but check out the river here. It's flowing really nice. Looks like there's a nice deep channel right there, right where Wendell looks like he's going to fall in. But yeah, just right around this bend and down a little bit further is where I camped in the winter, called Yahoo. Well, we're just here, kind of just taking it easy, enjoying it, playing stick here with Wendell. You want it? Want the stick? Go get it. Ah, you ran the total wrong way, but anyways, it's just a gorgeous day, beautiful spot. Hopefully no more snow, even though it snowed yesterday. It snowed yesterday and it was cold, and today it's probably plus 16. What do you guys think of my shirt? Stopped into 9 Locks. Well, I got my father to go grab it for me. I got this one in a dirty blonde, my favorite beer, so I figured I'd rock one of their shirts. Anyways, we're probably going to get packed up here, and maybe we'll head down to the Yahoo and explore a little bit more, and then we'll have to head out. Well, here we are. This is my this is the Yahoo. The water here is really, I call it brackish, but it's really dark. Kind of, it's not muddy, but it's just the type of soil. But anyways, I found some more cans. As you guys can see, collected quite a few today. I don't understand. They're lighter. Once you drink all the fluid, they're actually lighter. They're easier to bring back. So bring back your garbage. It's friggin' terrible. Wendell's over there exploring. Forgot to show this back there before I went fishing. I found this bottle. Don't know, it's old for sure. It's glass. not crazy old because it still has the screw on top, not the pop top or a cork. It's definitely an older glass bottle. Anybody have any idea what that would be for? Wow, Mr. Porcupine has been doing some chewing at the bottom of these trees, which is kind of odd. Usually they climb up them. Another one here. This whole bottom. So I'm eating up top. It's fairly fresh, so what a good boy I have. Come on, boy. We don't need you getting all tangled up with one of them things. You're about a freaking $200 and something vet bill. Crazy guys you see on this road. Just seen a couple guys walking. They didn't even have a vehicle. All they had was a 2.4 Bud Light. Both of them, I would say, probably already have a 2.4 into them. Just walking back the trail. I don't know, maybe going to his buddy's camp or something. Well, I was just saying, I seen those guys walking with the 2.4s or whatever they had. Look at this. This must be where they're coming from. Look at this homemade off-road machine. Look at the freaking ruts. You wonder why it's so rut up. Guys come in here with these types of things and just thrash and bang, and bet you it would be a lot of fun though. I don't know if I'm guessing it broke down or maybe ran out of gas. But yeah, little homemade off-road buggy. I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to try and get through there. I'm going to try to take the roundabout, but I still have to go through a little bit. It's really bad. Even worse than when I came in, so look at my bike. I thought it was dirty then. It's going to be real dirty after going through all this. Good thing I wore rubber boots today. Anyways, I just can't believe how rutted up and mucky this trail is now. Like, this was bad when I came through, but not this bad. This is insane. Look at the mud, man. It's that real greasy, slick stuff too. Greasy. Yeah, that's greasy. Greasy. But man, the beaver's got this dammed up bad here too. Here's the new truck. She needs some tires big time. I'm looking at the Toyo Open Country AT3s. They're a new tire. I looked up the reviews. They're pretty good. I had the All-Trains before, and I like those too, but I like trying different things. So the AT3s is, I think, the ones I'm going to go with. But I was thinking about the Duratrax by Goodyear too. Yeah, she needs a good washing. She's pretty dirty. Alright, Wendell's in. He's all tired. Show you guys the GoPro mount. Right here, she's mounted right on there. So yeah. I just throw it up there just in case I want to get a little footage on the way home. But yeah, pretty cool. It's like it was meant to be, this truck. What do you think, boy? You tired? You tired, my buddy? Yes, you are. Alright, hopefully you guys liked that video. I'm going to get a little bit more video when I get back to the house. Not sure what yet, but maybe I'll show you guys Annabelle and a little bit of things around the house maybe. But if you guys sign out now, thanks a lot for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate all the support. And if you're signing out now, I'll see you on the next one. But for you guys that are staying, I'll show you a little bit of stuff when we get home. Is it good, Annabelle? Ah. That's good, eh? Did Mom make you those patties? We got a little mixed mash of a patty that the wife makes. A bunch of broccoli. She only got about 4 or 5 teeth in there, so. And somebody's never far away. You like broccoli, Wendell, right? Yes, sir. Hi. How's it going, guys? Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for staying and watching the video. Anyways, we got Annabelle's in bed. As you guys seen, I was feeding her earlier. Having a 9-lock sturdy blonde. We got the Traeger going. The bike's still dirty. I'm gonna wash it tomorrow, but yeah, that thing's smoking away there. Smokes a lot when you first start it. But yeah, it just about to make some supper, and I guess we'll get a little bit of video of that. Got a couple schnitzels, pork chops marinated, and these are chicken thighs marinated. I had to put a sweatshirt on because it's starting to get cold, but drinking a frig off. Extra good. These are the ones my father picked up for me for my birthday, so thanks a lot, Dad. Appreciate that. And we got some sweet potato fries in the air fryer. Wife wanted some nachos. Oh, baby. We got 3 1-leafs. Let's go, boys.